Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Banking Crypto Night. In my last video that I made concerning how to go about your Mango network testnet, I have an issue here on this particular one here, and many people are having issue here also. Many people have issue here on the bridge. So in that video, I solve the issue for them. So they now know how to bridge on the Mango network. So, but the last issue I have that I don't know, and I promise immediately I get it, I'm going to let you guys know, is this one right here that will give us 10 points. If you are using web, don't use the web, just use the BeindDex app that you download on the site on the web. Just use the BeindDex app to do whatever you want to do. If you watch that my last two videos, you will see that everything I do, I use the BeindDex app. So if you still need all those videos, you can still check the description of this video. You will see the link to the video where I explain everything on step by step on how to do your Mango network testnet, how to go about it. And the only thing that I did not do in that video is this one right here that I'm about to do right now. So for instance, in case you don't have the BeindDex app, this is it here. You can get it on Android and also on Apple, that is on your iPhone. You can get it also through these two links here. So this is what you are going to do. Instead of performing this task on the web, just come to the BeindDex app. When you download the BeindDex app from here, just log in with your Mango wallet extension, passphrase. Just use it to log into your BeindDex. That is just it. I have done everything on that video, so you can go and watch it. Check the description of this video, we see a link to the video. So after you come back to this place and you want to perform this task, use the BeindDex app. All you need to do is to just come out here. So for instance, you come to DApp, then click on here. Just click on let's use it, do it through here. Then after you do it, or come here, connect your wallet. That is your first thing you need to do. Just connect your wallet. So connect your wallet. So as you connect your wallet, let's go to the event, because that is where we're going to perform everything. So now go down. I have performed today's task already, so but only this one I have not done it. So now let me show it to you. So you just come here on the BeindDex app, just click to claim gas. Click to claim gas. You can see the transaction has been submitted. So you can see it. Click on it again. So as you can see, you have clicked on it twice. You can still click on it again. The transaction has been submitted. So just wait for it. The transaction has been submitted. So as you can see, completed. So that is it. You have earned your 10 points right now. You have earned your 10 points. Join your balance. So that is just it. Very simple. Very, very simple. That is just how to perform this task. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy it. As you can see, the balance has added up to my points right here. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to join this Mango network, this can earn you a lot of money by just doing the testnet, by just running their testnet. These points you see right here is going to turn to money for you. And it might be huge money and it might be low money. So you should know that. And if you want to join this Mango network, just check the description of this video. Watch the first video there. Just watch the first video in the description of this video. Click on it and you will see a link to the first video there. So guys, that is just it. and I hope you enjoyed this video. If this is your first time here on this channel, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to this channel. This is what I do here on this channel. I share different update on uh testnet on cryptos, on airdrops and etc, like that, etc, etc. So that is it. Thank you for watching. See you soon on my next video. Goodbye for now. Thank you. Goodbye. Don't forget to share.